Welcome to English Grade 2 First Quarter Week 1 by Teacher Lance. There are sounds that we can hear in our environment, and these sounds may be produced in various ways. Some of these are animal sounds. Don't you know, children, that animals produce distinct sounds? These sounds help us identify the animals producing them. Learning task number 5. Do the following using the story you have read. Letter A. Mimic the animal sounds. Letter B. Identify the animals. Letter C. Tell whether the sound is loud or soft. Learning task number 6. In your notebook, do the following. Number 1. Describe one animal found at home. Number 2. Draw the animal. Number 3. Describe the sound this animal makes. Number 4. Tell whether the sound is loud or soft. Watch for the next video of English 2 Week 1 Learning task number 7. Thank you for watching.